Hey guys, welcome back again to the new interesting video Power BI Masterclass series. And today we will see how we can import our data using our language. So let's see how we can do this. So usually what we do is we just click on Excel workbook, or we will select our file extension. If it has a Excel workbook, we will select Excel workbook. If it is CSV file, we will select CSV file. And if it is a SQL Server file, we will select a SQL Server. So what I'll do here, I will go to this get data option and I will select this more option. And from here, I'll go to other and I'll select our script and I'll click on connect. I can see a window appear here. So it says the script will run on the following language. This is the extension, the path file of this language. So here we will write our script. So we have this file, this Fortune 1000 file. So I'll just copy the path of it. So let's add it here. And I'll store this this file in the path. So this is the path of our file. And we need to use double forward slash to escape the characters. And here we will say we will set up first the current working directory. So I'll use set wd set working directory of path. And next, what I'll do, I'll load up this file. So I'll use read.csv and I'll read this file. So let's copy the file name. Just it. It is .csv file. I'll just add extension also. And I'll store this in the variable called fortune. Let's say fortune 1000 only. Fortune 1000 data. Let's run this. I can see it is connecting. I can see when I select this, you can see we have this table. So our data got loaded here. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this transform data option to see what we have here. So you can see we have this rank column, company column, sector column, industry column, and the location, revenue, and profits and employees. This is the same data that we have here. You can see. Yeah. So now we loaded this data. So this is the first way. And also you can load this data using using this Poker editor also. So what you need to do is you need to go to this transform option and you need to select the R script. If you want to load your file using Python, you can select this run as a Python script. I'll select run as a R script. So what I'll do here, instead of these all the data, I just want the top 10 data. So let's see how we can do this. So here I'll say top 10, and I'll say head of. So if you are data analytics or a data science domain, you don't know what is head function does. So what this head function does, it will return the top 10 results. I'll say top 10 rows data set. So you can see this data set holds the input of the script. So I'll see data set. So here we have this data table. So data set, and here I'll specify top 10. Now let's click on OK. I can see we have the top 10 results. So we imported this using our language. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.